An exhibition Mongolian currency from ancient times to the present day, showcasing unique collection of more than 1,000 pieces which talk about history of Mongolian currencies, open today in the National History Museum. At the initiative of the Bank of Mongolia, the exhibition is being co-organized by the Mongolian Coin Collectors Union and the National History Museum in anticipation of International Museum Day and the Bankers' Day. The Mongolia has issued various coins, paper money, and securities as currencies since the establishment of the Bogotanta of Mongolia until today. And some urban areas and the monasteries and the temples used to use block printing to print paper money for their local needs during the Manchu or Qing oppression period. The great Hans of Mongolian Empire used to cast bulk of coins in gold, silver, and copper with various types in several hundreds of cities dedicated to their own people and citizens of the occupied countries and cities, and its remains are being preserved now. Also, coins were being issued written in Mongolian, Arabic, Turkic, and Chinese scripts without changing local currency names, religious things, and patterns on it, just adding emperors' names, their honored names, and titles. The exhibition has significance to give historic knowledge and to spread view to respect the national currency Tugrik. The exhibition will run for 2 weeks.